First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious jerk chicken wings using the air fryer. The air fryer I'm using today was sent to me. It's the OMORC air fryer. It's very easy to use and it works amazing. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description box together with a coupon code. Before we get started, please make sure you have the notification bell turned on. That way you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now let's get started. Okay guys, in my bowl I have some chicken wings. I went ahead and washed these very well. I'm going to pat them dry with a paper towel. You want to make sure they're completely dried. Once your chicken wings are dried, go ahead and set them aside for later. Then we're going to make the marinade. You're going to need a blender for the marinade, so go ahead and grab one. Then into the blender, you're going to pour in some red wine vinegar. Next, I'm going to add some soy sauce and olive oil. Then in this bowl, I have some salt, allspice, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and white pepper. Go ahead and drop those right in. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box, so make sure you check those out, okay? Next, I'm adding some brown sugar. I also have some cloves of garlic and ginger going in. I'm gonna toss in a whole jalapeno pepper. Make sure you remove the seeds and the stem, otherwise the marinade will be too spicy. I have some fresh thyme going in. I'm stripping the leaves of the stem before adding them in. I'm tossing in some spring onions. Then last but not least, I'm going to add the juice of 2 limes. Go ahead and blend everything together until you achieve a smooth mixture. Then you're going to pour the marinade all over your chicken wings. Go ahead and toss everything together. Make sure you get the marinade on every single chicken wing. And I know it doesn't look so great right now, but it's gonna taste amazing. Once everything is tossed together, you're going to place this in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours. You can go overnight if you have time. That's what I did. You want the chicken to take time and infuse all of those beautiful, delicious flavors. Once the chicken has finished marinating, you're going to drain off all of that marinade. You don't need that anymore. Then you're going to place the chicken on a paper towel, then pat them completely dry with another paper towel. The drier your chicken, the crispier they will get in the air fryer, and they will look and taste like deep fried chicken, so try and get them as dried as possible. Next, you're going to grab your air fryer and pull out the basket. Then you're going to arrange your dried chicken wings in the basket. This OMORC air fryer I'm using is 5.8 quarts, so it's going to fit a lot, which is amazing. And it's going to use rapid hot air circulation to crisp up the chicken and make it look and taste like deep fried chicken. Place the basket into the air fryer. Then you're going to press the temperature button and set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then press the timer button and set that to 15 minutes. Next, press the push button and air fry the chicken wings for 15 minutes. It's so easy to use. Halfway through the cooking time, you can take out the basket and toss the chicken around a little. Make sure they're doing good. And here's the finished product. It looks so good, just like deep fried chicken, and it tastes amazing. The only difference between this and deep fried chicken is this is a lot healthier. The chicken is so good and packed with flavor, and cleanup is so easy because the air fryer is dishwasher safe.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love.
Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. If you try this recipe, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.
I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beat.